and fold. Turn the phone into a tablet and the tablet into a laptop screen, and so on and so forth. Well, we are exaggerating, but let's be frank. A foldable phone was a thing of quirky imagination or a marketing stunt. Well, the future is here. Lo and behold, the Samsung Galaxy Fold is here. And we bet your current smartphone is already feeling like a dinosaur. The Samsung Galaxy Fold has ushered in a completely new mobile category with its massive 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display, which folds into a compact device with a cover display. In fact, there are two batteries so that the Fold fits neatly into your hands. While the company barely offered a glimpse of the Fold at its Unpacked event in San Francisco, we hear this gadget will cost you nearly $2,000. 12 GB RAM, a 4380 mAh battery, 6 camera lenses, 3 in the back, 2 on the inside and 1 on the cover are some of the other jaw-dropping highlights of this unfolding reality. We hear this one will be available later in 2019. And the new stars of Samsung's Galaxy have been unpacked: the S10, S10 Plus and the S10e, which is pitched as a budget option. And another showstopper is Samsung's brand new 5G smartphone, which comes with 5G capabilities like 4K calling and blazing fast downloads. Most of the new phones have plenty of innovation in common: an edge-to-edge screen with teeny tiny bezels, the ability to wirelessly charge another device, a stunning Infinity O display, the world's first ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint reader, which unlocks the Galaxy S10 using sound waves, a whopping 1 TB of storage, and of course Android 9 Pie out of the box. What makes the S10e cheaper is its flat screen and lack of in-display fingerprint scanner. This one has a scanner located near the power button. Coming to some specs, the S10 and S10 Plus come with a triple rear camera setup, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with fixed focus, a 12-megapixel dual aperture wide-angle lens and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. That means you're able to take portrait photos and photos from any of the sensors just by toggling on the screen. The S10 5G even gets 4 rear cameras with a 4th lens for 3D depth. All phones are powered by Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 855 chipset, making them faster, smoother and more battery efficient. The S10 comes with 3400 mAh battery, the S10 Plus with 4100 mAh, the S10e with 3100 mAh and the S10 5G with a massive 4500 mAh battery. While the S10 starts at around $900, the S10 Plus will be available for around $1,000 and the S10 5G for more than $1,000. The S10e will be priced at around $750. And the highly anticipated foldable phone will make you gasp at its price too, nearly $2,000. That is roughly 1.4 lakh rupees. We also got a glimpse at some new wearables: the Galaxy Buds for around $130 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, which is priced at around $200. We'll be bringing you a full hands-on review of all the new Samsung goodies on Cell Guru soon. For now, Samsung scores high on both price and innovation with its new stars in the Galaxy, and the future is unfolding before our eyes.